our ideal of what comes across as real, authentic, honest to us is evidently not the same over the centuries. I mean, even Garrick in the 1700s was known for being uh, the best conveyor of that which was natural and real, and yet he had these things in his hair where they could, on surprise, stand up. You know, his hair could stand on end as a device, and that was supposed to be natural. Well, but Shakespeare seems to be, that was the 1700s. Shakespeare himself seems to be suggesting that you want to hold the mirror up to nature, um, and be absolutely as authentic and real as you possibly can. I think that there you can read the famous long passages to the players that Hamlet speaks, but there is a soliloquy that says even more. It's the one where it starts, "Oh, what a rogue and peasant slave am I." Is it not monstrous that this player here, but in a fiction, in a dream of passion, could force his soul so to his own conceit that from her working all his visage wand, tears in his eyes, distraction in his aspect, a broken voice, and his whole function suiting with forms to his conceit, and all for nothing, for Hecuba. What's Hecuba to him, or he to Hecuba? You know, uh, I just think it's fantastic that Shakespeare acknowledges that actors are um, about being real and making you feel like it's real. Obviously, the player king is not the king, he's not Priam, and the actor he's playing with is not really Hecuba. And yet the actor seems to be able to weep for a dream of passion, not a dream of passion, a dream of passion. It's not real passion, it's a dream of passion. It's a fiction, but in a fiction, a dream of passion can still seem so real. So that's where we want to be with Shakespeare, is being as true to the elements and mirror nature as much as possible.